Recent video of a Russian tank hitting a mine, which detonated its ammunition, causing a massive explosion. This should not happen to a tank hitting a standard Soviet T-62 anti-tank mine. In fact, all modern NATO tanks are designed to protect their crews from that very weapon. Instead, if a NATO tank hits a T-62 mine, they are typically damaged and disabled, but recoverable. And most importantly, the crews are protected. Why is Russia's armor so different? Are Russians not capable of building tanks that protect crews? The answer is they are fully capable of doing so, but corruption and a different attitude towards the value of their warfighters leads to engineering value decisions for which the results can be seen here. The Legion of Freedom of Russia, which is fighting against Russian forces on the side of Ukraine, shows the destruction of two S-5 Pantsir-S 152mm self-propelled gun. We have awesome footage here. Everything is explained. Himars strikes on the Russian training base location in Kherson region, 50 kilometers from the front line. Ukrainian troops disabled 5 large amphibious ships of the Black Sea Fleet of the Russian Federation. This was stated by the spokesman of the naval forces of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, Dmytro Pletenchuk. Currently, the Russians cannot replenish their Black Sea Fleet. According to the Navy of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, there were a total of 12 large Russian amphibious ships in the Black Sea, 5 of which are no longer in service. Russia has started forced military registration of migrants who have obtained Russian citizenship, Russian media report. For this purpose, law enforcers conduct raids and bring migrants to military enlistment offices. In St. Petersburg, the police raided a vegetable warehouse and brought migrants with Russian passports to the district enlistment office.
Так, граждане, минуточку внимания. Будьте доставлены в военный комиссариат районный для дальнейшей постановки на воинский учет.
Danhaya Hovalig, an activist from Russian Republic of Tiva, discusses why so many representatives of indigenous peoples from Russia are sent to the war in Ukraine. We are made the face of this war so that later they can say that it was not Russians who killed Ukrainians, that Russians and Ukrainians are brothers, she thinks.
Нас просто делают лицом этой войны, для того, чтобы потом можно было сказать, что это не русские убивали украинцев, а русские и украинцы — это там братья. В России, в принципе, очень ксенофобная даже федеральная политика, и она была такой всегда. Это все очень наглядно показано, в частности, на визуальных работах Советского Союза, когда в середине полотна стоит пара славянская, белая, Они такие очень сильные, показательно какие-то свободные. По обе стороны от них идут пары из других народов Советского Союза, из этой дружной семьи народов. И все они показательно рассиализированы. То есть всегда была вот эта доминанта как бы русского народа, который, собственно, теперь по Конституции вовсе является государствообразующим. Маргинализация нерусских солдат в российской армии таким образом как-то успокаивается население Центральной России. Не переживайте, там воюют не ваши сыновья, а вот эти вот, которые к нам приезжают в Москву.
British supplied Challenger 2 in Ukrainian service, and Challenger 2 with 2 captured Russians somewhere on the front line. Russia continues to turn Europe's largest nuclear power plant into a training ground for military exercises, ignoring any safety rules. Will there be any statements by the UN or IAEA on the inadmissibility of militarization of Zaporozhye nuclear plant? Will we see sanctions against Rosatom? Nuclear security questions are increasingly becoming rhetorical questions.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.